everyone, it's Matt with Flyin Miata. I wanted to show you today our newest version of the JackAdapter. As you can tell, the new one is made out of poly-like material, more scratch resistant, and has 2 different grooves in it, unlike our old one, which was made out of steel and a single groove. The smaller grooves allows you to put it under the bottom of the rocker where the seam goes, and the puck will actually stay there as you roll the jack under. I'll show you that in a little bit. What are the things here? Let's see. The poly one allows us to cut a little bit of cost, so we pass that on to our customers also. On the lift, we have an ND. The green tape indicates the preferred jacking area. So we'll use our puck in that area, and you can see there is still a little bit of plastic there. It's very close to the body and flexible, so it won't break when we use this. There are other locations on the rear, just one location, I'm sorry, of a jack location also. And as long as you're within the recessed area, you'll be fine. You definitely don't want to go to the lower portion of the plastic because it will break. Let's see how it fits on the NA over here. So once again, the small groove will allow the puck to stay under the body. And I usually, same indication, I usually go straight down from the seam from the door to the front fender. There's 2 bolts there. I go from just rearward of the rear bolt, push the puck up, it stays. A few strokes of the jack, and I think we're at high enough where both tires are off the ground, still utilizing the front location. I didn't mention, but this will still hold place on NDs and NCs also. That is about all with our jack adapters. Is there any questions? No questions. In that case, guys, thanks for watching our Facebook Live. If there's any questions or comments later, please put them in the tabs below. Have a great day.